Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Mana. Recently, after the breakout from this down channel, price of Mana rallied very well. By the way, if I place this measurement tool from this low and last time it was testing the support of this channel up till this high, and you can see that so far it has rallied more than 293%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of 85 cents. That was a quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, you can see that this 85 cents has been previously breaking other resistance here and almost as a resistance here as well. And for a few weeks, it has been working as a support here as well and resistance here. And now again, it is flipped into resistance. And after the rejection, the price has recently broken down this very significant support that was approximately at 50 cents. And that was also another significant support because previously for a few weeks it had been breaking as a support here. And for a few weeks it had been breaking as resistance here, by the way. Resistance here and resistance here and for 1 or 2 weeks, it has been breaking as support here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for STG, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 11th of January 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Mana. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks a month, it has been moving inside this channel from the month of Feb 2024 up till the month of September 2024. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump. By the way, the technical target that I was telling you for this breakout was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 80 cents. And above that, we had a very long-term resistance here at 85 cents as well. Therefore, I was telling you that if the price and reaches there to hit the resistance of the channel, then we may also hit this resistance of 85 cents. And you can see that almost exactly from that point of 80 cents resistance, the price and got rejected. And now, recently, we have broken down the next support. It's very significant support of 50 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 50 cents has been recently breaking as a resistance here. Before that, it was also breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it was breaking as a support here as well. And now, again, it is flipped into resistance. And now there is a probability that we may test this next long-term support of 37 cents as well. That was recently breaking as a resistance here, support here, and before that, it was also working as a support here as well. And for a few weeks, it had been also working as a support here. Now, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel, but still a very, very big move due. And that is the target for the breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout from this wedge, whenever the price line is moving at this key resistance of 85 cents, it is getting rejected like it was rejected here, almost got rejected here as well. And now again, once again, it is rejected by this resistance of 85 cents. Therefore, this is the key resistance of 85 cents. We need to break it out and not continue this rally to the upside that was in fact begun here after the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is by the way here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $6.30 to $6.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.